Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can disable comment section for your WordPress blog post. So I am going to my website blog post section. After that, I am opening a blog post. Then let's check is there has any comment section. You see there has a comment section. So I want to disable it, and which method I will show you. This method will work for any of WordPress theme. Any theme you are using, you can apply my method. Okay, for this I need to install a plugin. So I am going to plugin section. After that I am clicking on add new plugin and search here with WPCode Lite. This is the plugin. So I need to install, activate this plugin. So this plugin already activated and this is the plugin. After installing the plugin, I have to click here code snippet. So I am clicking here, and after clicking you will get an option completely disable comment, and in the right side you will get the status. So if you enable this status and give a refresh here, you see it's already enabled. So I want to visit my blog post section again and giving a refresh here. You see my comment box is already disabled. So by following this method, you can disable your blog post comment system. If you again want to get back comment system, just go that plugin code snippet. After that, right side, just toggle off these things and give a refresh here. You see comment system is already here. So very simple and very tricky method. So today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.